Okay guys, so today is going to be a super fun day. We are breaking out the chainsaw and taking care of Josh's beard once and for all.
All lies. 100% lies.
Yes, in fact, we are going to be going down the trails today as a family and clearing the paths that we have back through our wooded property.
So we have like 60 acres of woods.
Yes.
And there is trails everywhere. I guess they're old fire trails for when there's fires in the mountain years back. So those trails cut all through this place. I guess the previous owner would ride through them, but we've been here for over a year now, and everything's finally going away. So trees are falling across. So we're gonna go through and clean everything up.
Yep. So getting everything loaded up, getting the animals taken care of, piling the kids in, and heading out.
So if it was 100 years ago, guys, I'd probably put something around Aaron's back, a strap or something, have a whip, and have a whoosh like that, and you'd be pulling all those logs out of there.
Yeah.
Non-stop.
I got the muscle to do that
like
though.
Bush,
He doesn't, you know.
Dang. You know? It's on the glutes, obviously.
Oh my gosh. That's why he married me.
Maybe.
Alright, let's go.
as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to buy.
So we've been walking around the Platte. Everything on this property is pretty good and well marked with stakes or trees been attached and painted red. But there's one spot on the entire property, it's 2,200 straight feet that is unmarked. So we went ahead and downloaded this real estate app, and actually the GPS shows us a satellite where we're at on the property. So it's pretty neat. We can actually find the boundaries of this portion of the property.
Ellie, what are you building? A house?
This morning house are clear a lot as any horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this.
Okay, so we've made it all around the border of the property, following the trails, cleared them out a good bit, so we're gonna head back to the house and get started on what's next for the day.
All that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow.
Alright, good flex for the camera now.
It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today.
Was that fun? Yeah. Ellie, is it yummy? Josh, did you have any of the black raspberries?
I did, but they're better than my pancakes this morning.
Delicious, right?
They were good.
Ellie, you coming up to Berry Mountain? Come on. Oh, were the black raspberries good? I don't think that one's ready to eat.
So it's getting late. I got a little bit of time to get this done, so we're going to go ahead and rough the boxes in for the pennant lights to hang over top of the countertop of the kitchen. We weren't sure what we're going to do, but now we know what we want to do and we're going to place them. We're going to go ahead and install these real fast. It shouldn't take too long. Be a quick and easy project. Alright, so I'm going to head and put this 2x4 in. What we're going to do is take this box. This box is going to be for the light fixture dead center of the window. So I'm going to find center, I'm going to put it up like that, and take my 2 pieces of Romex and put them in. As you can see, the bottom of my 2x4 is flush with this 2x10 from our roof rafters. Put this bad boy on like that. Got about a half inch hanging off. Goes against that lip right there, and that should fit nice with a half-inch sheetrock for the ceiling. Eyeball that pretty good, and that's what I can. So I eyeballed that, and it should be pretty close. Keep in mind, I eyeballed Erin from across the room, and she was a keeper. Bam! Gotcha.
Check. Okay, so fun day today. We went out riding through the trails, clearing some of the land, just kind of, you know, enjoying the woods today, which are beautiful.
Yeah.
The woods, one of our favorite things about this property was how clear and beautiful the woods are here. There's not, you know, it's mature woods, so there's not a bunch of that undergrowth here that you've got to like weed your way through. It's just very open and beautiful.
It's open.
Yeah.
So. Good day, fun day. I enjoyed my day off on Father's Day.
Yes.
But we did do a little bit of electric work, which is no big deal at all. It took no time to get it done, so.
Yes, something we could check off the list, which is always good. You know, if we make a little bit of progress or peck away at something on the list every day, then that's, you know, a good way to do it. And we got nice stained hands from berry picking, the best berries ever.
They're black raspberries, by the way.
Yes, so good, especially in pancakes or just alone, whatever. So.
Yep.
Fun times.
That's it, right?
Yep, that's it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you Friday with the next build video.
Yep, see ya.